Do YouTube again. Now, if you're here watching this video, you are giving it the same shot that I'm about to give it. We're gonna try to do YouTube again for the probably about the millionth time. But hey, we still got breath in our lungs, so let's try it again. Now, I have tried to do YouTube even back when I was in college. I posted a video of me curling my hair. Baby, I deleted it. But I shouldn't have. I have also tried to do YouTube, basically doing like DIYs, showing you guys how to do shirts. I even tried last year when I was showing you guys the whole planning and here your goals thing. Epic fail, did not keep it up. But you want to know one thing that I realized that I did not keep it up back then? Because I wasn't being authentically me. And I feel like I was just consuming too much of YouTube videos and trying to recreate other YouTube videos that I've seen other people do. And I couldn't keep that up. So that's why I could never keep going with the whole YouTube journey. Now, this go around, I have a totally different plan. I done literally planned out what I plan on doing. And I done made, I think, reasonable goals for me to achieve this year on YouTube. Fingers crossed, I'm keep posting videos monthly, and let's get into what I plan on doing. I'm going to show you guys right here. Okay, so now let's get into the good stuff. Let's talk about my plans to conquer YouTube again. Now, I found this over there on TikTok. Thank God it came back. But I found this little method that I seen a creator talk about on TikTok. His name is DeAndre Brown. And baby, I love him down. Like, he gives it to you straight, no chaser. But he said up here and talked about how using the 70-20-10 method to go when it comes to creating TikToks. Oh, not TikToks. Okay. It's the way to go when you want to be a content creator. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Because we're on YouTube. But I said, you know what? This can apply to my YouTube journey because if anything, it can apply to any journey that you're on. So I'm going to introduce this 70-20-10 method into my content strategy. Ooh, that was a tongue twister. Okay. So back to what I was talking about. Now let me show you guys what this method looks like. So this right here is the pie chart. I scratched out the becoming an influence because baby, right now I just need to be becoming consistent. Like the influence journey would definitely get there, but the consistency is what I need right now to be successful. So I turned around and I said, okay, 70% of this method right here is what your main niche should be about. Now, that's one of the things that I know we hate to niche down, but it's one of the things that you want people to know you as. That is some of the questions that I always get asked about the content that I post right now. So I was like, you know what? Traveling. I love to travel. People ask me all the time, Lisa, where you going? Where you been? Dang, you just got back. You leaving again? Yes, I am, baby. If it's a flight, I'm on it. So this is what I want to be known for, and how I'm going to apply this to YouTube and also to my other personal pages too as well, is that I'm just going to sit up here and post all my little travel hacks that I do as far as with planning, post about my trips, vlog while I'm there, and just showing people that you are capable of traveling if you plan properly. Sometimes I think people don't really think about it until the last minute, but all my trips are planned out, and I literally be having trips booked a year in advance. And I like a good payment plan. So sometimes people be thinking that I got a bag. Baby, no, I got a payment plan. So traveling will be my main niche. I'm going to talk about that on YouTube as well as across my other platforms. The next part is the secondary. So the secondary is things that you enjoy doing. And for me, it's like my hair, beauty, like my nails, DIY stuff, and planning. I love that stuff. I talk about that stuff all day because I literally like check the nails, baby, did that myself. This hair is glueless. Like, I don't have any money to sit up here and spend on these kind of products because I like to travel. So I use that money for traveling, and everything else, I'm a DIY girly hands down. So that would be my secondary topic for the 70-20-10 rule. The next one is the 10%, which is your fun content. This is stuff that you'll do that's like trending sounds and challenges. And how I'm going to apply this to YouTube is that I'm going to sit up here and basically those would be like my shorts. So majority of my shorts would be like, how I almost got ate alive in Tulum, like by a possum that tried to get into my Airbnb. Like, It would be those things right there, like stuff on like tips and tricks on packing, like stuff that you need to take if you're going on a cruise. Like those would actually be my YouTube shorts. So it doesn't necessarily have to be anything trending on this side of YouTube, but I can definitely like work that into the short methods so that I can have stuff to post. I've been thinking. I was thinking. So this right here is what I'm going to be using when it comes to me creating my content for YouTube, as well as for other different platforms as far as TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. So if you are ready to tackle YouTube again, definitely take a look at this method. Try to set up and brand it so that it'll work out for you. We got this. Baby, 2025 is our year. Mark it on your calendar. I'm going by the verse Mark 11:24. Look it up because, baby, you might want to write that verse down too as well. But if you guys want to follow me on this journey, definitely follow your girl because it's up in 2025. Because what do we have to lose?